I'm not gonna keep both of these because I don't need to keep both of these. I'm keeping the Windows Phone, obviously, because the Windows Phone is more interesting. Where is the Android phone going? Well, I am going to be giving my Android version of the HTC One M8 to Enzo Was Taken, otherwise known as Feline Techie. If you see this on Feline Techie, you know why.
We have the package. I'm gonna open it up like this so that no personal details get revealed. Alright, we have, what the hell? Dear Enzo Was Taken, enjoy your M8 from 2014. Hopefully arrives in one piece unlike the Note 7. Thank you, Ethan. Very cool. Here it is. Let's open up this bad boy. Oh, look how pretty. Does it have any charge? It does. Wow, look at that. HTC One. Yep. Android is upgrading. Okay. 73%. No way. This is still at 73%. Wow, this actually feels so smooth. What? Wait, is there stuff on here? Did they do any test clips? Camera shots 1 or 2. They are corrupted, okay. Yeah, these are corrupted. You can't actually look at them. Okay, how much storage does this device have? Let's find out. 32 gigs, not bad. It's running Android 5.0.2. That's awesome. Look, there's front firing speakers here. That's a nice touch. I really like that. He did say he left me the music on here, so that's something. Oh, I can already see the volume buttons are already starting to want to come out. I'm surprised it didn't come out on shipping, but apparently airplane mode is on. Micro USB, you know, period correct, like, port for this phone. This is Blink Feed, your window to the world from your home screen. Well, I mean, isn't that what, like, widgets are for? Yeah, I manage widgets. Oh my god, AT&T stuff. They had a traffic widget? Oh no. Google Now, Google App. Interesting. Okay. God, I really like the design of this phone. It feels so good in the hand because, like, it's curved on the back. In the next video, I'm gonna be doing something special with this phone, but you'll just have to find out for that. So with that being said, thank you all for watching this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more videos like this, or anything with this phone, leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video.